Hello everybody, this is Lady Emma Hamilton by David Austin. Right off, I want you to see the very special coloring. It's tangerine, but suffused with various shades of pink. The color is at once very lively, yet very soft. And show you another bloom here. Lady Emma Hamilton has a really terrific fragrance. It's one of those grapefruit scented roses that I think is especially pleasant. Here, see, the bloom is actually not that small. Lady Emma Hamilton never fully opens flat, so we can't really judge by diameter, but just by the size of this half open bloom, pretty decent. One of the very distinctive qualities of this rose is the stems. See, they're thin and wiry, kind of artistic looking, and they have a very distinct shade of brown. So overall, just a very distinctive looking plant. I'll show you my whole plant here. There are some basils coming out of the middle that are pushing the first flush down and kind of obscuring the first flush, but otherwise this plant actually has a very nice habit. It is one of the more compact Austins. I'm gonna say I've never seen this plant, this variety, more than say 4 feet tall. David Austin has, I think, at least 3 of these tangerine shaded roses. There's also Lady of Shalott. There's also Pat Austin. I might be forgetting 1 or 2, but I think I like this one the best. It has the best fragrance. I like that pink shading mixed in with it. I think it makes the rose more complex. And despite looking delicate, Lady Emma Hamilton holds up very well in heat. It is a very good hot summer Austin rose, and surprisingly so. You don't look at it and think it would do well in a hot summer environment, but indeed it does, both here in California and when I grew this rose in Texas. The other 2, Pat Austin, Lady of Shalott, they bloom very well in the summer, but their blooms just don't hold up in the heat. And again, that strong and consistent grapefruit fragrance is a big plus of this variety. So again, Lady Emma Hamilton, David Austin roses. Let me know what you think of the rose. And if you try it, hope it works out for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye now.